In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export to PDF in Monday.com. If you've ever found yourself wanting to share the great boards you've created on Monday.com in a more universally friendly format, exporting them to a PDF can be a really handy option. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. This is the starting point for everything we're about to do. Once you're there, look for the login button. It should be quite prominent on the homepage. Give that button a click to start the process of getting into your account. Once you've clicked Login, you'll be presented with several options for signing in. Among these, you'll see the Google option, which makes things quite convenient if you have a Google account. Go ahead and click on Google, and then select your Google account from the list provided. This will take you directly to your Monday.com workspace. Now that you're in, the next step is to navigate to the specific board you want to export. So go to the appropriate board where all your important data is stored. Once you're on your board, take a look at the top of the page. There will be a plus icon, which is used for adding different views to your current board setup. Click on this plus icon and you will see a variety of options. Among the options, there will be one labeled Apps. Click on Apps to access additional tools and functionalities that can be added to your board. What's great about this feature is that it extends the capabilities of your board, allowing you to customize your workflow even further. Inside the Apps section, you'll find an option called Board Print. This is what we're looking for to begin the process of creating a PDF. Click on Board Print to proceed to the next step. At this stage, you should see a new view appear that gives you more options. From here, you'll need to select the specific items or columns you wish to include in your PDF. Take a moment here to ensure you've selected exactly what you need. This step helps tailor the final document to have only the most relevant data you want to share. Once you've made your selections, look for the option that says Generate Document. Clicking this button will begin the process of creating a PDF version of your selected board data. After a moment, your document should be ready to download or share as needed. And there you have it. You've now successfully exported your board from Monday.com into a PDF format. This method is not only straightforward, but it's also a great way to ensure your data is accessible and shareable across different platforms.